All right, February 15th, going over some videos of these stocks. Small caps mainly. CRBP, we've done this before. $77 million float on FinViz, 280 million market cap. No recent news. Clinical stage pharma focuses on development and commercialization of various therapeutics to treat rare, chronic, serious inflammatory, fibrotic diseases. Yeah, this had the big gap down right here from 950, fell to 250, then it fell to 1. Then it formed a beautiful cup and handle right here. Cup, here's your handle. Then it went up. Almost textbook. Now, the line on here, this 350 line, there's nothing back here to stop this in this open air space, this blue sky. Yeah, it did touch right here for exactly. I thought it would stop maybe here. Went to 4. They brought it back a little bit now. Yeah, it's a dip buy. We'll see it bounce up from 13 EMA. Is this going to stop? If 250 holds right here, it'll be another solid move. Then we move up. And the way this is going, you can see the roundness on the dips. So look for 250 to hold. Then if we can get over 4, into this area. I don't know. It's pretty crazy here. Anything can happen with this. But the break of 4 is big. And we got to see where this is holding. Are they going to drop it down again? Then a bigger bounce up. So this is more of just a scenario where you're at in this chart. Yeah, when you're low here, you could get to 250 and then maybe into here somewhere. So you move pretty high. So just be aware of that. Big volume too on this. BRQS, 32 million float, 129 million market cap. They do software solutions, Android-based devices, China, India, United States. Yeah, this is one I call too. Check back my videos on all these. Just look for, little stock symbol. Said this will break 150. Back and forth, one right over the 150 level. That's what it did. Yeah, sometimes you go back on these and you realize this went this high. This went to 3. This was a tremendous run. Can we get to 4? Probably. Nice inside candle here. This can come back to 175, maybe 150, 175 before a move up. Insiders in 26%. No recent news in this at all right now. So you see the channel, then the dip buy, and then we came all the way up. Look at the 30-minute. See this big run? What a run. And then it came back. So it's consolidating at 250. So where we're at now, yeah, I think we're getting a 4 plus. The way this moves, the flow's pretty low. Not really low, but doesn't matter. You're getting big volume coming in here. It did top out here. See, says stochastics. Yeah, if we pull back, yeah, you want this. If it does come to 150, that would be really big. Because look how many times 150 held, or it was a resistance. Excuse me, resistance. Now, if it comes back, they'll probably bounce right off that and go up. That could be one scenario, or it could be just drift down a little bit more and then bounce up. So there's a few things that could happen here. Just be aware of that on BRQS. But another tremendous run. I called this. Check my videos. The call's been hot. ASRT. 90 million float, 141 million market cap. They did direct offering, 34 million. Upright specialty pharmaceutical company, United States. So this had the big wedge down. Look at this. Big falling wedge. Double bottomed here, about 35 cents. Then this comes up to 50, comes up to 80, comes back to 70, then it really takes off to 140. Now, if this pulls back too, look for this 80 right here to hold. You could have a bounce right here, then come back up. Looks like it's trying to bounce right now. That's possible too. Or the one level. One level is very huge at this point. All right, taking this out, this wedge. Look for some lines here. You have here this 150 line. 150 line and then 50 cents. So look at this, back and forth, big channel base, trying to go over 150. You can see here, cluster, cluster, cluster. Went just below 50 cents. Now we're trying to dip and come back up. Look at the volume though. Look at the volume here. Much heavier volume. So they're pushing these. If we get over 150, look for 2 to 350 range. See this? Because you have resistance right back here, and where this fell around 3. So this is another one longer term looking good. Just depends how long it takes, with these dip buys. What's it going to do exactly? So, all right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Gaming Trade. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank II. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Gaming Trades. YouTube. Leave comments. Any information on these stocks, anything else that can be useful, much appreciated. That's it. Peace.